Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the vehicle can accept alternate CarPlay sources. Some head units allow emulation or USB boot. Once done, plug a prepared USB stick with the CarPlay image and connect a Lightning to USB cable to the head unit if required. Make sure to enable developer or accessory mode in the infotainment settings. This unlocks external media booting. You should back up the current firmware now, because restoring is faster than recovering a bricked system. Proceed immediately to the installation step. Once the head unit boots your USB image, follow on-screen prompts to install the CarPlay emulator. This typically takes several minutes. During installation, map physical controls so touch, rotary knobs, and steering buttons send the right signals. This preserves safety while driving. Make sure to route audio over USB or Bluetooth and select the vehicle microphone as the input, otherwise voice commands won't work. If the system asks to replace modules, approve only the emulator files, and keep original audio drivers to avoid losing sound. You finish by testing critical apps, maps, phone, messages, and music, and verify Siri or voice works with the vehicle mic. Once satisfied, calibrate touch zones and save a system snapshot so you can restore settings quickly. If the UI is sluggish, reduce visual effects, stop unnecessary services, or restore the backup firmware. This usually fixes performance issues. Finally, always keep a phone or a second USB image in the glove box for emergency restoration. Preparation avoids stranded situations and keeps driving safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.